Hey guys, I want to bring you another update on the HP return. Finally got a resolution with the HP representative, Escalation manager. So they agreed to give me $1,250 because we couldn't find the same specs and same computer. Obviously, I think they no longer make that particular model because probably a lot of bad reviews and complaints. So had to find something that was similar to that model, as long as it had the same specs. So what they meant by similar specs is like screen size, which is 15-inch. It was in a 4K screen. Now I might be able to get a 2-in-1 where it's like foldable and stuff like that, but the storage is no longer similar because they ran out. Mine was a 512 megabytes, but now they only have the 256 megabytes. So I'm not sure when they will actually have the storage selection, because again, this was customizable. So it kind of shows how great of a deal it was with Black Friday and a combination of inflation and also the shortage on chips. So originally they were only going to give me like $1,125, so $1,125. But they noticed when I tried convincing them that there is nothing else that's similar, because that was going to be a 10th gen chip, and that wasn't going to be suitable for 10th gen, and also i7, which is similar, but the chip was different. So that's where they agreed. And also it was going to be, I believe, 8 megabytes or 8 gigabytes of memory instead of the 16 gigabytes. What else was that? That was totally off. But in the end, they agreed to give more than what they actually had to escalate it to their supervisor. So if you do run across where you've actually had so many issues, escalate it to a manager, and then the manager will take a look at your case. If they cannot come in agreement on that, they can also escalate above to their supervisor to give you more to cover, because again, the cost of laptops with people staying at home at the time has pushed the price, and the chip shortage everywhere. So HP, but the only bad thing is I have to get an HP. I can't get any other laptop. It's pretty much an exchange in that sense. So, and it's a gift card, so if it's anything below that, you might have some money left over, which you're probably never going to use in that case, or you could use it for another device. Or the other scenario you might run into is you might get something more expensive and then just pay the difference. At this point, I definitely want to try to find something similar to the specs. You'll probably see an unboxing. It's totally different. Like I said, going to be a different model for it. I'm hoping that storage, because that was the only difference, that was almost where I could order it, but it was just barely shy of it not being ready. So I'm checking every day according to being able to customize that particular one. So let me know what HP laptop you would recommend at this point, or which model. I'm looking at 15-inch or higher. I think 15-inch is a lot easier to travel. It was pretty light. It was a lot lighter than my current laptop that I have for my daughter. So that was one of the plus that I liked about it, and just how fast it was booting up. Hopefully that's where it's going to make things easier to edit videos and create videos that way. So for now, I have to use different equipments until I could get the new laptop. The other scenario I hate and really disappointed, it's going to take another 30 days till the day that you order it, because it's going to come again through China and then through customs. So they can build it pretty quick, but the issue again, once it gets into customs, it takes just that long just to clear through customs and everything. So we'll see which one I could come up with. Sooner the better, especially hoping to get it before June, but April's almost over and I can't find anything similar to it. Then I'll probably have to wait when they get more or different models. So go ahead and hit that like button. Again, I'm glad that it's finally resolved, and I'll be able to transfer, just one thing I just remember, I'll be able to transfer the warranty I got, the extended warranty, to this new one once you have the serial number. So if you are running into issues again with your HP, because even it seems like my case manager was pretty busy with a lot of cases. Even sometimes I would leave a voicemail and it would take a while just to get an answer from him, because I just got this label, prepaid label, to send back the laptop a week after. So just letting you know, there are probably a lot of quality control issues for their laptops because of the chip shortage and probably rushing through, and so we'll see if this third time's a charm for a laptop to work. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and together we can build a better tomorrow. Thanks, bye.